welcome to my channel. My name is Kwaku Darfour of the Darfour Law Firm, and I practice throughout the state of Florida. My office is located here in South Florida in Fort Lauderdale. Today, I'm going to be talking about some of the insider secrets that attorneys, lawyers will not reveal to you. Okay, and I wonder, why would an attorney be telling me what insider secrets lawyers wouldn't reveal? Because I want to share the truth with you, and I want to give you value. Okay, I practice personal injury. I practice car accident law. I know there's very good car accident lawyers out there, and there's folks that have no idea what they're doing. They just dibble and dabble in car accident law. The first secret, and you want to pay attention to the end, okay, is that car accident lawyers, just like personal injury lawyers, work on what's called a contingency fee, right? What does this mean for you? This means that some lawyers may be taking cases that they know they can't handle because of their caseload, just because they work on contingency. So the more they bring in, the more cases, the more probability that they have to make money. Be careful that you know that the attorney that you're hiring has the ability, has the staff to go ahead and handle your case competently and effectively, so that there aren't delays, or so they don't miss stuff on your case specifically. Okay? And the next thing is that clients know that they want the most settlement for their case. You want the largest settlement, right? But some attorneys will take your case, and towards the middle or the end of the case, they may try and pressure you to settle for less than the full value of your case. Okay, so be very wary when an attorney starts putting pressure on you, saying, hey, you got to take this, you got to take this. They're not, if it's what they're going to do, if that's all the insurance company has, then that's all they have, right? But be very cognizant of those kind of pressures from an attorney. All right, the second, secret, right, that I want to discuss with you is that the attorney has a financial interest in the outcome of your case, right? And they may have a financial interest by the way of receiving a referral fee from another attorney. They have to disclose this to you. So be careful, okay? Make sure that you ask your attorney, hey, was this case referred to you, or was I referred to you, or are you working with anyone else on this case? Just so you know what their financial interest is in the case, okay? You don't want to be blindsided, but you also have a right to know, okay? And then what this may mean is they may be putting more, interest, significance, or work in a case that they originated versus a case that was referred to them, all right? Because they have a larger contingency, larger amount coming to them on their own cases versus one that they're splitting the fee with another attorney, okay? Now, another thing that a lawyer may not tell you is their case load, right? And if they have too much of a caseload, then it's going to affect your case. They're not going to be giving the right amount of time, attention, and dedication to streamline your case, make sure that they don't miss anything on your case, and stay on top of your case. Okay, a lot of lawyers take in 200 cases, and it's just too much. So be very, very wary, very careful, and some of these signs may just be their lack of ability to get back to you in a timely fashion, or their lack of ability to update you throughout their case and throughout your case, so you know how your case is going. Okay, again, like I said, be very wary, be very careful on the attorney that you're choosing. And one last thing, okay, this is very important. Make sure that if you're in an accident, you are hiring an attorney that specializes in car accidents. Don't hire an attorney that just dibbles and dabbles. Make sure that they are dedicated to car accident law. Okay, you don't want a criminal defense attorney or a family law attorney or an immigration attorney working on your car accident case, because they don't do this day in and day out. That means that they're not going to be able to know some of the tricks. They're not going to be able to navigate through all of the bombs the insurance company is throwing at them, because they don't do this on an everyday basis. If you like what I shared and you think you got value out of it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button.